If you're a successful entrepreneur, executive, or emerging leader, and somehow you're feeling stuck, you're not sure if you're on the right path anymore, it doesn't feel as good as it used to feel, and you've lost your spark in your everyday, part of my mandate and my purpose and my living legacy is to help you reconnect with who you are so that you can live a full, balanced life with well-being at the core. When you sign up for the workshop, you automatically start the learning journey. And that happens to be the most amazing part of this journey, so congratulations. During the workshop is an opportunity to reflect and celebrate all the areas of your life that have brought you to this very moment. And then also you would craft your living legacy, the learning journey that you need to take to achieve that living legacy. I get to listen, really listen, and ask you some questions that probably will be difficult, but my intention is to help you solidify your living legacy and then some immediate action items that you can start to work on towards that path. If you're an established mid-career executive entrepreneur and somehow you're feeling stuck right now, you're not sure if you're on the right path anymore, you want to bring deeper meaning to your everyday, and you want to leave the world a better place with your legacy, please join me in one of my workshops by visiting my website or following me on social media.